All right, today we're going to be doing a very quick tech tutorial using the Samsung S860 camera. This is a point and shoot camera, 8.1 megapixels. And basically I just want to show you guys really quickly how to format this thing, kind of return it to its factory defaults, format the SD card, or simply do a hard or a soft reset, I should say, on it. Basically what you need to do, just kick the power onto the camera, and you'll get the menu will come up, and we're going to hit the little menu button here. And basically you have a few settings and some options and things you can do here. We're going to come over here to the very far right. You can see on this with the little what is that, a little sprocket symbol, a little gear symbol, and we're going to go down to the format button. Now this is going to be great again if you simply want to format your SD card, make sure everything's kind of clear and wiped clean. The reason I'm doing this is actually I'm going to be selling this camera, and so I want it all clear. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the over arrow, and you can see you basically have the option to say yes or to no. I'm going to go down to yes and click that. Again, I'm going to confirm yes, and this is going to again wipe that SD card and the hard space on this camera clean. So again, remember that if there's any images you do want to save, make sure you do that and back them up before you do this. Now, the one other thing I want to show you is the reset function, which again is in that same menu. We're just going to go down, we're going to go over, and it's going to be basically the same thing. If you want to just kind of do a hard reset on the, or soft reset, I should say, on the camera, we'll come down here, we'll click yes, and we're going to come down to yes. This again is going to reset all your potentially the timestamps and the other things that are associated with the camera that you've set up. So remember, again, this is to kind of clear it and move it back to the reset mode. I'm going to click yes, and you can see that it basically cycles, and there we go. We have a reset now. You can see that the time is back to January 1st of 2008 at 1:03 p.m. So there you go. Hope that has helped. Hit me up in the description box if you have any other tutorials that you're interested in. Otherwise, thanks for watching.